We're spending the holidays at Walt Disney World, and what better way to celebrate than to travel around the world here at EPCOT. Let's go see what goodies we can find.
Okay, so we're starting our journey off at the Mexico Pavilion. Controversial. Some people like to go to Canada first. We choose Mexico. And I have gotten some type of mole. It's something with chicken.
It's a tamale.
Oh, it's a tamale. That's what it is. And it has this like little cute tail on it. And in true EPCOT fashion, our dinner is going to be on a trash can. So here we go. I hope that I'm eating this correctly. So here we go. That's a pretty good mole. You could taste the richness of the chocolates, and it has that special cheese on it. What is that called?
Cotija?
Yeah, it has the cojita cheese. This was $9 though.
I mean, you know.
It's Disney.
It's theme park food. I have acquired a dulce de leche churro. It is warm. They brought it over fresh. I'm gonna eat it now. They're yummy.
To introduce myself, I am the legendary Barn Santa! Here in Norway, they call me Fuse Nielsen. You see, sometimes people, they can't see me, so they don't think I exist. You do see me, right? Yeah. I see you too. But here in Norway at this time of year, we say God Jul. So on the count of Treya, let's all say God Jul together, all right? Yeah? 2, 3. God Jul! Yes, well, it would be a God Jul, but every Christmas is the same. Sigrid, who's on her way out here right now, well, she can't see me, so she doesn't think I exist. Say, if you'll allow me to take the liberties of using a little magic and mischief to help Sigrid with her story, who knows, maybe this year, she just might believe.
That is how we say Merry Christmas in my country! You must have heard that somewhere. Merry Christmas indeed! Look at all these lovely decorations! So cute! Hello there, and welcome to the International Festival of the Holidays at EPCOT! My name is Sigrid, and I am the holiday ambassador for the Norway Pavilion. Woo! And I'm so excited to tell you all about Christmases in Norway. But first is a little bit of a Christmas song sung by children of all ages. The mouse song, Mosvisa. I sung a bala bala ba, om julik døden da skal alle sammen være klar. Heidi og hoodoo, doodle da do, a Merry Christmas please, and it's good for me and you. I sung a bala bala ba, om julik døden da skal alle sammen være klar.
Let's go. For me and
The song's
you.
over now.
I sung a bala bala ba, of unicorn.
At the China Pavilion, they're celebrating the Lunar New Year. So they have a stage show that's one is a musical group, and then the other one is a lion dancer. But we missed them for the day. But we did find 2 Christmas trees with pandas on them, so that was cute. All right, Brian, where are we? What have you gotten?
We're in the German pavilion now, and the holidays are not complete without Glühwein. This is German, as opposed to Vin Chaud, which will be later in the French pavilion. I smell a lot of cinnamon in this.
Well, surprise, there is a cinnamon stick in there.
Well,
so.
that makes a lot of sense. There's not fruit in here because it's not hot sangria like Portugal. It came with this little plastic cup. So yeah, here we go. That's very sweet and very cinnamony.
Cinnamony.
Yes. It's not my favorite moldy wine, but the warmness of it is soothing on my throat.
Well, would you look at that? I found the cinnamon stick. We'll take that out. Wow. See, I love cinnamon, so I like this.
It's sweet
But
though.
it's pretty sweet, yeah. Sometimes cinnamon tastes sweet though. But I mean, mulled wine does often have like added sugar in it. So we've also acquired the first cookie of our cookie stroll this evening, which is some kind of cookie. It has raspberry filling. So I'm gonna try that next. Got a cute little Mickey in the middle. Not a monkey in the middle. That's nice. It's like a shortbread, but it's like a darker flour. And then I was feeling peckish, so I got a schnitzel.
When in doubt, schnitzel in Germany.
Always a solid choice. And it has some spätzle, and some mushroom sauce. And I think it's gonna be scrumdiddlyumptious. Please hold a moment while I build the perfect bite.
There we go.
Oh, that mushroom is salty. Yeah, it's not hot at all.
But it's good.
It is good. have made it to Italia, and I got a tiramisu stout, the 6-ounce pour, so the little one. Ooh, I like that. It's like very caramelly, and it has that coffee aroma, but it has the thick stout texture. It's very good.
Now, as a preface, I don't think this beer is actually Italian.
I don't think so either. It's just a tiramisu beer.
But
Tiramisu is Italian.
yes. We are now at the American Pavilion. This is the halfway point around World Showcase. And over there is where they have the candlelight processional. Now, the candlelight processional is the story of the Nativity, and it is about an hour-long show that incorporates a 50-piece orchestra, a big giant mass choir. There are 3 shows a night, and it's hosted by a celebrity narrator. It is a highlight of the holidays here at EPCOT, and it's something that you shouldn't miss.
And the line is crazy.
It is super crazy.
It's like 6 o'clock, and they've already hit the end of the line for the 8:15 show.
Yeah, which is the last show of the night.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Japanese Pavilion, where everything is very dark. And in the Japanese Pavilion, I don't know what they're celebrating.
I think it's also the New Year.
It might be the Lunar New Year, but they do have a sushi Christmas tree that literally looks like this. It has 6 pieces of sushi, which is fine. It's crab meat, and it has like red and green dots on it. And then we got this Japanese punch that has like so many different things in it. It's like,
Shochu,
and there's plum juice,
plum
lemon
wine,
juice,
and
maybe ginger. It sounded really yummy, so that's why we got it. So start with the sushi. Our cashier was from Nara, and she was very nice. We went to Japan earlier this year. Oh, here we go.
check that series.
The red and green dots, I think, are wasabi.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
But
oh,
the
no.
crab is like not imitation crab, it's like real crab.
Oh.
It's actually really good. Going on for piece number 2 because it was that good. I don't think Aubrey's a fan.
I think you're right that there's wasabi. I would like wasabi.
And now, the Japanese punch. I don't know what's happening in my mouth. It like tastes like an apple cider with a little bit of like sake to it.
Weird. I'm gonna have to try that. Smells good.
The cup is creating a crazy shadow on your face.
Oh, that is quite nice. You get what you're saying. It's like a very watered down apple juice with some plum. I wouldn't know that there's alcohol in this.
Well, dangerous.
We are at the L'Haim booth, which is in between Morocco and France. And I got a pastrami sandwich and some rugelach, which are like a pastry. I've only ever had rugelach that's like 1 piece, but this is in 3 pieces, so that's interesting. But I'm gonna have my pastrami first. The mustard's good. The pastrami is just kind of like sliced deli meat. I like a kind of like a shredded pastrami, so it's all right. The mustard's good. Gonna get a little bit of the pickle. It's all right. And these rugula counted towards the cookie stroll. Okay, I'm gonna just try to. That's yummy. It's like a really delicious, crispy pastry dough, and then it has a raspberry sauce and nuts. This might be like my favorite thing we've eaten today. Bonsoir. We are in France, and we have acquired vin chaud, mulled wine of the French variety, not the German one,
And not the moldy wine.
and not the moldy wine, and not the hot sangria. It comes in many forms. This is the French version. Let's taste it. Tastes relatively similar to the German one, except less cinnamon, because there's not a cinnamon stick in it. It's much hotter than the German one. It's a little more acidic. I think I prefer the Glühwein.
Uh-oh.
I've betrayed the French.
I don't know. I feel like the Glühwein didn't smell as authentic as this did. This is more authentic. Granted, I've had vin chaud in France. I haven't had Glühwein in Germany yet.
Have we not?
I don't think so. We haven't been.
No?
This is pretty authentic, actually. No, I prefer this one.
I figured you would. We are now in Canada, and we have gotten a maple cookie. It's in the shape of a maple leaf, and it has maple buttercream on the inside. And I'm very excited because I love maple. So I'm gonna take a bite.
How was it, eh?
It's a bit crumbly, but flavor is excellent.
Isn't it crazy that we stayed in that hotel over there?
The Frontenac?
Yeah.
Check out that video.
We went to the land of Hawaii, Mele Kalikimaka.
Melekalikimaka. Yes, this is our cookie speed round because we want to finish our cookie walk and get our cookie prize. So this is a coffee mocha cookie, and I'm gonna try it. Ooh. It tastes like coffee, so I like it. The cookie has a nice texture too, so like a little chewy.
That's like the best type of cookie.
It's good.
We are concluding our day around the world at EPCOT, and we were successful with our cookie run. Aubrey got a kitchen utensil.
The spatula.
Spatula.
Rubber spatula.
And we had a lot of food.
Out of food.
And lights, and the decorations are really pretty.
Yeah, I
And
was expecting there to be more decorations. Like, I think Universal has more decorations than Disney, shots fired. But it's still nice.
it's refreshing to get to really experience and talk with people from different cultures. It's supposed to feel a little fantasy, but like the workers are actually from these countries.
Yeah, get a little taste of the country.
So if you like what you saw and you want to see more, click that subscribe button, that bell notification, and we hope to see you in the next one.